Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make chicken seekh kebab at home, which will be healthy as they are free from preservatives and artificial flavors and delicious as well. And friends, these kebabs are so good to enjoy as starters with a spicy green chutney and can be served in any parties or festive occasions to come. So let's get started with this delicious chicken starter recipe. And here in this bowl, I have taken around 500 grams of minced chicken or chicken keema. We'll now transfer this into a mixer grinder. Next into this, we'll add 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic, few mint leaves, a handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves or dhania, and 1 green chilli finely chopped. And we will now grind this into a coarse paste. And here is our chicken mixture, which we will now transfer into a mixing bowl. For seasoning and to add some more flavors into it, we will now add some salt as per taste. Next goes half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kali mirch or black pepper, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, the white part of an egg, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. You can also add vegetable oil if you want, but I like the flavor of butter. And now we will mix all the ingredients well for at least 2 minutes so that the seasonings and spices are well combined with the chicken mixture. Alright, and now we will cover and let this chicken mixture rest in the fridge for at least an hour. And here I have taken some bamboo skewers and will dip them in water for 30 minutes before grilling to prevent them from burning. And here our flavorful chicken mixture is also ready, and now we shall start making our chicken seekh kebabs. For that, we'll grease our hands with some oil and we'll take a generous amount of the chicken mixture in one hand and we'll arrange the mixture in the skewers gradually from bottom to top so that they are uniformly arranged in the skewers. And in the same way, we will arrange some more seekh kebabs and we'll place them on a greased plate. So our seekh kebabs are ready to be cooked. Now you can either grill them or pan fry them, which I'm going to do now. For that, we'll heat a teaspoon of refined oil and a small cube of butter. We'll spread the butter and oil on all the sides of the pan. And when it's hot enough, we will place the chicken seekh kebabs one by one, and on medium flame we will cook them until they are fried golden brown from all the sides. For that, we need to keep on flipping the kebabs in between and brushing them with butter on the sides so that they remain moist and juicy while getting cooked. And by now our chicken seekh kebabs are done from all the sides, so I will take them off. And here they are. I will now remove the skewers from the kebabs. We'll cut and show one seekh kebab. They are very soft and juicy from inside, bursting with flavors. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken seekh kebabs at home, which are free from preservatives and artificial flavors. And don't forget to enjoy them with a spicy green chutney, which is so good to enjoy with this kebabs. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.